Claimant alleges, Your Honor, these particular individuals, from top to bottom, rank and file, those in charge of the government, especially law enforcement, elected officials, persons handling this, my situation here, WIT, whatever it takes court in Santa Ana, are ill-begotten metamorphosis, witchcraft, like status quo aliens, in disguise as they're not humans. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, and honorables, these particular individuals, the image of revelation, act of creation, told us humans, and Steve, particular humans don't want to know. These particular individuals here, these leaders, police, sheriffs, detachment, military, persons sworn to uphold each and every I do, sworn, cloaks, swear, each severs their title, U.S. titles, 18, aids and abets murder rackets, killing the humans off, like James R. Pink over here, probation, and all the probation officers submits. Plaintiff, Your Honor, image reveals us, humans interested in evolving further and not becoming devil food, victims by these and their particular tricks and treats and promotions they got for ill-begotten, that is, for sodomically murdering children throughout history and then getting an energy exchange with aliens. Thank you. These particular individuals, Jim Pink, all the PSCs, public service counselors, service counselors, WIT, service counselors, and like all the clients as well, I hear, are that way too. Did a energy exchange. They're trying to psych Steve's mind, psych my mind, and kill the humans off. Kill me to my face. I'm not a murderer. I think the LORD does not make me a murderer or degenerate. Thank you. Reiterates. Ladies and gentlemen, these particular individuals, wit candor, wit staff, they're alien metamorphosis. They're no longer human. Like the police and sheriffs, military establishment, just about all the military hires, rank and file, government issue. Like most of the teachers, most of the professionals. And Steve's the only one here that I see standing up to humans and mankind's right to evolve further and not become victimized devil food, victimized like devil food empowered and regressed, as they have been doing or said to have been doing with other humans throughout history. In particular, these particular individuals like Jimmy Moon here, really alien creatures. This is their eye up here. They're also crocodiles and alligators, beasts, cats, dogs, tricks aimed at getting humans to not understand nuclear hell is nearby, can incinerate us in other ways and means of extinguishing, dying off the human race, such as Jimmy Moon's rancor, Jimmy Moon and James Pink's adages and acts of treachery. These particular people go around acting like homosexuality is cool and good, and they advocate solicit anal sex. And in doing so, the force has been giving promotion to do the human race up. Some type of what could be called promotion isn't really a promotion, maybe it's a punishment or some type of, but giving these people energy exchange when they sodom and having a say over humans, because humans are not supposed to. And if they didn't know, we've been trying to tell them for the last 15 years not to have anal sex, but they want and did it anyway. Jimmy Moon's candor, I see. I'm not for. Probation's been hassling me, harassing me. Wendy Lindley, a judge, we'll have her up in a minute. This is James R. Pink, Steve's probation. He's really a beast animal, this eye. And a oneness with earth, wind, and fire. Nuclear and fireproof, I submit. Image told us if it might be true. Love, love, love. I'm not taking no chances. You sound like the Sistine Chapel and that too, and this. I kind of believe it. Love, love, love. All the clients so far that I've seen, same metamorphosis. Trying to psych my mind, try to act like they need to eat water, need to borrow $1 from me, need to drink food, eat food, drink food. They don't really need food or water. Making me go take care of people like Marshall in the place I'm living, also the same candor here where I'm living, Jackson Isle. I mean, I appreciate having housing and that sort of thing, but I don't appreciate being swindled by a devil. Devolute sorcery, Catholic circles might be understood as devil people, sides, and psychs. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you. Love, love, love. That's the word of procreation. Evidently, the rest of the humans want to sit back and eat and pretend it's not happening, giving light to the fact that maybe I want them to become devil food, but I really don't. Blah, blah, blah. I'll just keep pressing on the issue. I prefer a management style of electropulses and cardiopulses and muscular pulses for people to evolve and walk in straighter paths instead of 2 wrongs, 5 billion wrongs don't make a right. Anal sex regressive management. I submit, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, higher office, higher power, no matter who says it's okay or who doesn't like me or care about this, even if they're humans, I still submit that they shouldn't get punished with regressive anal copulation tricks and devilish antics. They should get moved. If we have a force to use, move them towards straight paths with electromagnetic pulses, cardio pulses, muscular pulses aimed at getting us to walk in an evolvement, a utopian order path. So we'll submit, still submitting. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, the courts, this particular judge in question over here and these particular individuals, say veterans court as well, and said to be public defenders. All public defenders I encountered are also metamorphosis, and perjured their oaths, and denied the status quo of national security concerns. And in so doing, try to not utilize a technical means of verification force aimed at understanding public safety matters as something, a material fact. Particular persons, Jimmy Moon's candor, Wendy Lindley's candor and rancor, and deceit, lies, so said to be, stipulates, thank you, every public defender, and I don't want to understand, I don't want to see, I don't hear, love, 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 sits idly by or aids and abets what is described as a nuclear war racket, such as Japanese government pretending they're not nuclear fireproof individuals, well capable of putting out nuclear fires, pretending that seeing if that force will let them get away with nuclear MOX plutonium mix explosives for us to enjoy. This I don't appreciate. It's terrorism. It's wrong. It needs to be stopped. Whether you're at the bottom of the rank and file, the top of the rank and file, submitting. Thank you. That means you, especially with Mrs. Wendy Lindley, Miss Wendy Lindley, if that's really your name. I submit, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, these particular violations, as noted and inscribed in the webpage, descriptiveandcode.blogspot.com, many title, U.S. code, title and code violations. Clearly applicable law is to be understood. It's applicable law. Persons of the court are supposed to be not felons, let alone murderers, let alone ill-begotten murderer sorcerers that kill the human race with invisible powers as well. Submit. Image said she gave them those powers. These powers, if they didn't give them those powers, maybe it could be argued, surmised, another religious left or right wing option or not option to choose from. Thank you. Love, love, love. This is June 23rd's videotape subpoena photography court matter. We're going to post this as soon as we can so you guys can follow the whoever's interested. Those that are not interested would have us, hopefully, if the LRD would see our way about this, perhaps uphold life like we're sworn to here at this venue, not uphold tricks and deceit and murder and pedophilia. Thank you.